My dear teachers, my name is Rishon. Today I am going to tell you the story about do not run away from God. Nineveh was the capital city of Assyria. It was a great city, but the people of this city were wicked. God loved the wicked people in Nineveh. He wanted them to love Him and repent their evil. So God said to His prophet Jonah, "Go to Nineveh and tell them, because of their wickedness, I am going to destroy this city in 40 days." God knows this message. Make them stop and thinking. Jonah was afraid to go to Nineveh. He planned to go far away that God could not find him. For 3 days, Jonah ran along the roadway and reached from Nineveh and reached Joppa, a sea spot. He got into a ship going to Tarshish, very far away city. Being very tired from his trip, 3 days trip by running away from God, he slept in the corner of the bottom of the ship. And the ship started sailing. Soon a great wind began blowing the ship. The ship started tossing up and down. The captain was afraid. Then everyone in the ship shouted from their God for help. Then they threw their cargo into the sea. But Jonah was sound asleep. Captain woke up him and asked the God pray for God. Ask the God for help. Then they cast lot to see who had made the God angry. The lot fell on Jonah. Jonah admitted that he was running away from God. "Throw me out into the sea," he said. Sadly, they threw Jonah into the sea. Then the storm stopped. When he went down, suddenly he felt something warm around him. He was showered by a huge fish. And one whole day and two parts other days, Jonah was inside the fish. He thought about God, whom he had loved and served for many years. He had promised God that he could obey Him, and He asked for God. To save him. God guided the fish into the shore. He caused it vomit out Jonah upon the sand. God had asked Jonah do that God had asked him to do. Immediately Jonah started walking into the beach. He was going to Nineveh. The moral of the story is, do not run away from God.